Hi, I'm Lizzie.
I'm Amy.
And I'm Olivia.
We are a Year 12 team of geography students at the Royal High School Bath. Challenge of the Geographical Association Post-16 competition about exploring our geographical connections. It really made us think about the wide range of ways we're connected to our local and global surroundings.
We decided to create a range of GIS maps to help visualize how we are connected to other places around the world. We decided to focus on 3 types of connections: economic connections, social connections, and environmental connections.
For example, Bath. An important part of our economy in Bath is from tourism. So we decided to create this 3D flow line map to show where all of our tourists come from. To get this data, we went onto the Visit Britain website, downloaded the data about visitor numbers into a spreadsheet. We then opened a map in ArcGIS Online. We added this data to the map. We then worked out how best to show the data, such as using proportional circles for the number of visitors. We then used the analysis tool to create flow lines on the map, and finally we added this to the 3D map. We also looked at our historical economic links by producing a story map which summarised some of the links between the early wealth of Bath and the slave trade wealth from nearby Bristol. Then we produced a map to summarise how much international aid is given by the people of Bath to other parts of the world to see how we influence other places.
For our social connections, we started by looking at the commuter patterns to and from Bath to see our links we visit with people living nearby. We then used the Office for National Statistics map to look at how Bath linked to other parts of the UK from migration into and out of the city. Our last social connection looked at the ethnicity across Bath to see the cultural connections within our community.
The final theme we wanted to look at was our environmental connections. We can have both positive and negative connections with our surroundings through our consumption. So we did a survey of where manufactured items from around our homes were made, and also looked at our local suppliers of food to the school dining hall. The last aspect we mapped was about where some of our waste goes by looking at where our recycling is sent. There are so many more connections we could explore,